Hi, everybody, and happy Wednesday, or as some people around here like to call it, Wayne's Day. Hope you are staying safe in your home. Speaking of home, I am continuing my series on home coverages. And for this segment, I am talking about coverage B, which often is put in writing as other structures. And if you look carefully, you'll notice that the coverage B amount in most cases on your home insurance policy is an exact percentage of coverage A. In the case of Farm Bureau, where I work, it's always set at 10%. And people can purchase more, but there's no way for us to make that number lower. So, as say you have a large pole barn or two or three or four and other various outbuildings and you need more coverage, that's fine. It's an easy thing to do for people as long as your advisor knows. But often people will wonder or ask, well, what am I paying this for? I don't even have any other structures. It's very, very common, especially in our area where I live, for people to not even have so much as a shed. Like they have their home and their garage is attached, and that's what they have. And then they see on their insurance paperwork this coverage be other structures, and it looks like they might be paying extra for that. In point of fact, there really is no extra cost for that. What people pay for is coverage A, and the B and the C and the D is built in, and really you could white it out, but it wouldn't change the cost. So rest easy if you don't have any other structures, knowing that you're not being dinged for having that on your policy. That really started decades ago, by the way, when way back in the day, people could buy what was called an old fire policy for just a building, and then people would build a shed or build a garage or build something, and it's not always top of mind to call their insurance advisor and say, hey, Wayne, I just did this thing, and then something would happen and there wouldn't be any coverage for it. So over the years, insurance companies just started automatically putting in something for other structures, just in case. But again, you're not paying extra for that, so you can rest assured about that part. On the other hand, if you do have actual other structures, as I'm sure anybody listening to this knows, construction costs are extremely up and getting upper. It seems like by the hour. Same thing for auto repair. I mean, those costs are just going up and up and up right now. And so, if you do have another structure, I'd encourage you to get up with your advisor and make sure that the automatic set amount is adequate for whatever your other structure is. If you're not sure how to do that math, give me a call, send me a message. As you know, if you've seen any of these, I'm an insurance counselor, not really a salesperson, so super happy to advise on no matter where you get your insurance from. I am Wayne Haney, the local licensed insurance counselor in these parts at Haney Farm Bureau in downtown Lake Orion, nestled warmly between Johnny Black's and Sagebrush. Stay safe.